The Fujifilm X-S30 is shaping up to be a game changer, and the latest leaks will leave you speechless. Buckle up, tech fans, because today we're diving into the hottest rumors about Fujifilm's next mid-range marvel, the X-S30, straight from the grapevine of trusted sources. From a shockingly close release date to mind-blowing upgrades that could make this the ultimate hybrid camera, we've got the freshest scoop that's got the photography world buzzing. Plus, stick around for an exclusive look at a must-have gadget every photographer needs. Watch until the end for the full breakdown, and if you're as hyped as we are, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single update on this beast. Hold on to your camera straps because our most trusted sources are now suggesting that the Fujifilm X-S30 could actually drop in late 2025, not early 2026 as we previously thought. This is massive news that's sending shockwaves through the photography community right now. The word on the street is that Fujifilm might be rushing this release to beat some major competitors to market, or they could be positioning it perfectly for the holiday shopping season when everyone's looking to upgrade their gear. This earlier timeline could completely catch fans off guard who were planning their camera upgrades for next year, and it might force them to rethink their entire equipment strategy. If this leak proves accurate, it means Fujifilm is feeling the pressure from Sony and Canon's recent releases and wants to strike while the iron is hot. The implications are huge because it suggests Fujifilm has more confidence in their final product than we initially realized, and they're ready to compete head-to-head with whatever the competition throws at them in the coming months. The sensor buzz around the X-S30 is absolutely incredible, and our sources are now confirming that it will feature a 30-megapixel X-Trans 5 sensor with significantly better dynamic range than what we saw in the X-S20. This isn't just a minor upgrade. We're talking about a fundamental leap in image quality that could rival cameras costing twice as much. But that's not even the most exciting part. The autofocus system is rumored to include next-generation artificial intelligence autofocus with dramatically improved eye-tracking capabilities in low-light conditions, going way beyond what anyone was speculating about before. This means portrait photographers and content creators working in challenging lighting situations are going to have a massive advantage that simply wasn't available in previous generations. Now here's where things get really wild for video creators. We're hearing whispers that Fujifilm has been testing 6K recording at 30 frames per second, which is a massive step up from the earlier rumors about 4K at 120 frames per second that were floating around months ago. This kind of video power would make the X-S30 incredibly appealing to professional videographers who need that extra resolution for cropping and post-production flexibility. But wait, there's more. A completely fresh leak suggests that Fujifilm might be implementing a dual-gain ISO system that would deliver significantly cleaner footage across a much wider range of lighting conditions. This feature alone could make the X-S30 the go-to camera for hybrid shooters who need exceptional performance in both photo and video modes without breaking the bank. When we start comparing the X-S30's rumored specifications against upcoming rivals like the Sony a6700 Mark II or the Canon R8, the picture becomes incredibly exciting for Fujifilm fans. While those competitors are focusing heavily on raw specifications and processing power, the X-S30 appears to be taking a more balanced approach that emphasizes real-world usability and creative features. The Fujifilm edge comes from those legendary retro design elements that photographers absolutely love, combined with their world-renowned film simulations that give images that distinctive look straight out of camera without needing extensive post-processing. What's particularly impressive is how Fujifilm seems to be delivering all these advanced features in a significantly lighter body than most of the competition, which is crucial for content creators who are constantly on the move. The hype factor is building because industry insiders are suggesting that the X-S30 could completely steal the spotlight in the mid-range market by offering premium features at a price point that makes sense for serious enthusiasts and emerging professionals. This positioning could force other manufacturers to completely rethink their product strategies and pricing models, which means consumers win no matter what happens. The photography community is absolutely buzzing with excitement, and from what we're seeing across forums and social media, XS20 users have been very vocal about wanting longer battery life and a fully articulated screen in the next iteration. The amazing news is that our leak sources are suggesting that Fujifilm has been listening carefully to this feedback and might be delivering on both of these major requests in a big way. This would represent Fujifilm addressing the two most common complaints about their previous mid-range cameras and shows they're serious about dominating this market segment. The response to these leaks has been overwhelmingly positive, with many photographers saying they've been holding off on upgrades specifically waiting for these improvements. The community engagement around the XS30 rumors has been incredible, and I want to know what features you're most excited about. Drop a comment below and let me know what's on your XS30 wishlist, because your feedback helps shape the content we create and the rumors we investigate. Are you more excited about the video capabilities or the photography improvements? Let's get a discussion going. All right, photographers, let's shine a light on a game-changing tool for your shoots, the Wurkkos HD03 clip flashlight. Picture this. You open a sleek white box flap, revealing the HD03 nestled in a foam cutout, alongside a USB-C cable, lanyard, and a slick manual. Available in olive green, blue, or orange, this compact beast delivers 680 lumens of focused white light for nailing sharp exposures in night photography. A 320 lumen high CRI floodlight with 95 CRI for color-accurate lighting during portrait setups, and vibrant RGB modes to add creative flair to your stills or vlogs. Clip it to your camera bag or tripod with its magnetic clip for hands-free illumination while adjusting lenses in a dimly lit studio. Imagine using the spotlight to light up a subject for astrophotography or the floodlight to evenly illuminate a product shoot. The RGB modes, perfect for adding colorful backdrops to your creative shots. With a 600 milliamp hour battery, IPX6 waterproofing, and a dual-switch interface, this budget-friendly gem rivals pricier lights like the Olight O-Clip. At just $16 to $20 on sale, it's a must-have for any photographer's kit. Check the link in the description to grab yours and elevate your shoots. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the price speculation that's going to make your jaw drop. Based on all the leaked upgrades and features we've discussed, our sources are suggesting a price point around $1,600, which is slightly higher than previous estimates but still represents incredible value when you consider what you're getting. If the 6K recording capabilities and advanced autofocus rumors hold true, this camera would be positioned as an absolute hybrid king that delivers professional-level performance at a price that won't require you to sell a kidney. This pricing strategy could completely disrupt the market for pricier full-frame options, because many creators might find that the XS30 gives them everything they need without the extra cost and bulk of larger sensor systems. The value proposition becomes even more compelling when you factor in Fujifilm's excellent lens ecosystem and the money you'll save on post-processing time thanks to those gorgeous film simulations. At $1,600, the XS30 could represent the sweet spot that the market has been desperately waiting for. Let's recap what we've uncovered today about this incredible camera. We're looking at a potential late 2025 release with a 30-megapixel X-Trans 5 sensor, next-generation AI autofocus, 6K video recording capabilities, and a competitive price point around $1,600. The Fujifilm X-S30 might just redefine what we expect from Fujifilm and set a new standard for what's possible in the mid-range camera market. The combination of features, timing, and pricing could make this the camera release of the year, and honestly, it's the kind of camera I wish I had access to yesterday for all my content creation needs. If you found this leak roundup as exciting as I did, smash that like button, subscribe for more exclusive camera coverage, and ring that notification bell so you're the first to know when we get more XS30 updates. The camera world is moving fast and you don't want to miss what's coming next.